Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaid and you are watching Techyeagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to find and copy the link of your Instagram and send it to someone. For doing so, first you have to open your Instagram, then click on the profile icon. After this, you have to click on the share button. Then this page will appear. Here are multiple options. Here first option, you have to click on share and share it to any application such as WhatsApp and Facebook. For the second option, you have to click on copy link and the link will be copied and you can paste it anywhere and share it to anyone. For the third option, you have to click on download and this QR code will be downloaded and you can send it anywhere or print it to promote your IG. And for the fourth, you can click on add to story and your account will be added to the story, and by this way you can get the link of your IG and share it to anyone in different ways. If this video helped you, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It's me, Junaid, signing out.